My name's John Rooney. I've been driving for almost 31 years, and I drive officially for R&L Carriers. This is just a toy for now. It's a 1984 Ford CL9000, 400 Cumins, 9-speed. It's a fun toy. I bought it about a year ago, and the guy was hauling cattle with it. And I just recently did the paint job on it myself, and been doing all the polishing and cleaning it up so I can bring it out to events like this. It was a big white box when I got it, so I did the gray and orange stripes, and I painted the whole truck myself. I did auto body in high school, and apparently I still know how to do it. I've done all the aluminum polishing myself, and just the paint work. It didn't need any. The body didn't have any damage in it, so I didn't have to do anything there. But trying to get all the bugs and gremlins and all worked out of it so that it's a reliable truck. And it's in good shape. I just got to get it cleaned up, and I've got lights I want to add to the roof and a few other places, and the interior needs a good scrubbing, and it's all original inside. It's still got the original seats, and everything's still original inside. I have to get the AC to work. I keep blowing lines up every time I replace one. The fun of old trucks.